Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to all my students. Okay, my name Dr. Muhammad Arsad bin Johannes and I'm your lecturer for course Thinking Skill UUW 322. Okay, so this is our introduction class, not the class yet, just the introduce what you have to do in this class. Okay, all the assignment, all the chapter and all you need to know I will explain in this video. So make sure if your friend still asks you what kind of assignment, what you have to do, just tell them to see this video and share to them. Okay, we have around 10 chapter for this course. Okay, chapter 1 until 10 I will give it to you in what we call is in our group WhatsApp or Google Classroom. Okay, saya akan berikan dalam Google Classroom ataupun WhatsApp group. Okay, so all the chapter I will read one by one. Okay, so the first class we have the introduction to thinking skill. So this is the basic what you have to know about this course. Okay, sometimes you will see this course like what we call is psychology. Sometimes you see like general knowledge, but this is very important to you dan kamu kena tahu kamu wajib lulus. You have to pass this course untuk memastikan kamu boleh bergraduasi. To make sure you will graduate. Okay, so the chapter number 2, noble thinking in religion and social culture. Chapter 3 we will learn about brain. What kind of brain? Our brain. Okay, number 4, human cognitive development. Chapter 5, logic thinking. Okay, 6, literal thinking, human intelligence. Chapter 7, chapter 8, problem solving and decision making. Chapter 9 and 10 is leadership and listening skill. Okay, so all this chapter, you don't worry, I will prepare in Malay language and in Bahasa and English. Okay, so what you have to do as assignment in this course. Okay, you have to remember this course we have no final exam. Okay, all is the continuous assessment. So that means 100% is from what we call is assignment, quiz and group presentation. So I will explain one by one and you just listen, and if you want, kalau anda nak lebih faham, paling baik anda tulis apa yang saya cakap. You have to write down everything what I'm talking. Okay, so number 1 we have quiz. Quiz we have 2 times. Kita ada quiz dan quiz akan dijalankan selama 2 kali, sebanyak 2 kali. Okay, quiz 1 dan quiz 2, quiz 1 and quiz 2. Okay, every single quiz will provide 15% marks from the 100%. Okay, 15 markah daripada setiap quiz. So that means we have 30 marks for 2 quiz. Okay, I repeat back, quiz 1, quiz 2 provide 30%. Okay, we also have individual tasks. Individual tasks we call as sharpen your mind. Okay, sharpen your mind, mengasah minda anda. Okay, so untuk individual task ini, assignment individu ini, ia membawa markah, it's bring marks around 30%. So that means 30% for individual and quiz 1 50%, quiz 2 50%. So we have already 60%. So what you have to do? Okay, listen, just patient. I will talk later. I will tell you later. Okay, we also have assignment, tugasan poster. Assignment poster, tugasan poster. Okay, this is group assignment. Okay, how many members? I will tell later. Okay, so how many marks? This poster provide 30 marks. It's very high. Okay, so that means you can think, start from now, how good your poster, then you will get 30 marks. Okay, so kalau buat poster lebih kurang saja, maka kamu akan rendah lah. Dan bukan rendah bukan seorang, you akan rendah beramai-ramai kerana ini adalah group assignment. So the last assignment is a presentation. Assignment we have 2. Assignment 1 poster, assignment 2 is a presentation. Presentation only 10 marks. Okay, but that mark you will look at it. Okay, not from me but from all the people who looks your assignment. How? I will explain later. Okay, we go through one by one. Okay, we go through one by one. For quiz 15%, this quiz will include around 4 chapter. Okay, untuk quiz 1 ini meliputi 4 chapter. So how you will the question A is a multiple choice question. Okay, you don't worry, you just choose A, B, C or D. Okay, kuis 1 15% meliputi 4 bab dan soalannya adalah berbentuk multiple choice question A. Okay, dan we will do this quiz in week 5. Okay, minggu kelima. That is a quiz 1. For quiz 2 is a continuous chapter from chapter 5 until chapter 10. Then we will do this quiz in week 11. Okay, quiz kedua meliputi 15% juga. Kita akan ambil kuis ini pada minggu ke-11. Okey, jadi simpan siap-siap, tulis siap-siap. So keep in your mind, week 5 and week 11 we have quiz 1 and quiz 2. How many marks for these 2 quiz? We have already 30 marks. Kita ada 30 markah. Quiz 1 15, quiz 2 pun 15. Dan quiz 1 meliputi bab 1 hingga 4. Manakala quiz 2 meliputi bab 5 hingga bab 10. Okay, so boleh bersedia daripada sekarang. Okay, for the assignment individual, we call it a sharpen your mind. We will do this assignment use the Google form. Okay, same like quiz, we also use the Google form. So how many times we will do this assignment? Berapa kali kita akan lakukan assignment ini? Kita akan lakukan sebanyak 3 kali. We will do 3 times. Okay, 3 times. Which time? Masa bila? Okay, on week 3, week 7 and week 10. The question also use a multiple choice question A. Kita juga akan menggunakan kaedah yang sama, iaitu soalan berbentuk multiple choice. Kamu boleh pilih di antara A, B, C dan D. You must think how the different. Okay, the different is the sharp your mind, it's more hard. Okay, it's too complicated, so you have to implement the real situation in the question. It's very different with the quiz 1 and 2. Okay, so it's very hard. It's provide 30 mark. Okay. Next, your group assignment will provide 40%, which is poster 30% and group presentation 10%. Okay, for group assignment poster infographic, so you have to prepare and do infographic poster. All the what we call is all the topic I will provide in the group WhatsApp. Then you will see what kind of title you will choose on the topic you like. Okay, kamu boleh pilih daripada edaran yang saya akan berikan tajuk-tajuk yang kamu perlukan. Okay, infographic 30% 30% 30 markah. Okay, and the last but not least, group presentation. Group presentation, every single group must record. Just like now what I do, you have to record your presentation not more than 10 minutes. Not more than 10 minutes and not less than 7 minutes. So around 7 until 10 minutes only. How many marks? 10%. So how you get the mark? I will tell you later. Okay, and okay, this lecture I will give through the live class. Okay, use the Google class, Google Meet, and at the same time I will provide also a video. Okay, a video, but I will mix the language. Sometimes I will use Malay, maybe sometimes I will use English, because we have some international student in this class. Okay, so before I forget, every single group you must have around minimum 7% in the same class. Okay, 7% in the same class. Maximum how many? 10%. Okay, 10% maximum, minimum 7%. Then your member group must come from the same class. For example, you're from RE 90, so your member also must come from RE 90. Tak boleh campur-campur, jangan campur-campur. Kamu campur daripada kelas lain, campur ke kelas lain, nanti bikin pening. Okay? So make sure you come from in your study. So every time I will take the attendance, and I will use the Google form also as your attendance. So you just answer the question what I give as a attendant the class. Okay, so anything happen, anything you want to ask me, apa-apa yang you nak tanya tentang pengajian ini, you can WhatsApp me or call me. Or if you shy, you just ask in the group. Then make sure you pass for this semester. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.